Greetings, Doug Rawadi here, Sandler Training in Connecticut, and yes, this is another 60-second sales training. Always ask for the order is the salesperson's 11th commandment, the one that apparently just dropped right off the tablets when Moses came down from the mountain. Never ask for the order, on the other hand, goes completely against traditional selling methods. And if you don't ask for the order, how will you ever know when the prospect's going to buy? Well, think about it for a minute. The only person who can really ask for the order is the prospect, right? So what do? First, find the prospect's emotional needs. Are they in pain? Then provide the solution to solving the prospect's problem. When you follow that sequence, more often than not, the prospect will give up and ask you for the order. This is Doug Rawadi with Sandler Training in Connecticut. 203-257-4551 is my mobile number, and that's today's 60-second sales training.